जो बदलाव हम बाहर ढूंढते हैं वो अंदर ही छुपा होता है। जब नजरिया बदलता है तो नतीजा भी नया होता है। नमस्कार, आई एम सोनम नागपाल, योर होस्ट ऑफ वाहवमन्या। I have 10 plus years of experience in the IT industry. I have always been curious about certain things like why do certain patterns repeat in life? Why do certain situations come again and again in the same way? Why do people behave in a certain way? Is human suffering only karmic, or are there even other forces at play? And most importantly, can we reduce or minimize our suffering in any way? Maybe through conscious action, awareness, or astrology? While searching for answers to these questions, I found myself exploring different paths. I enrolled in different courses that introduced me to the wisdom of our spiritual texts like the Upanishads and Bhagavad Gita. I gained powerful insights from NLP psychology, which is neuro linguistic programming, and also dived deep into astrology. I realized that all these subjects talked about one common thing: patterns. Patterns or samskaras silently influence our thoughts, action, and the life we experience. Before I move ahead, there was a time when I used to pick up Gita, go through the pages, and used to keep that aside. अब श्री कृष्णा रणभूमि में अर्जुन से क्या कह रहे हैं, it didn't make sense to me at that point of time because I was not able to relate that with my practical life. And that's where Vahumanya comes into picture. Vahumanya talks about the real life problems of a woman, and it talks about the unconscious patterns, decode the patterns, and give actionable insights so that women can transform and achieve whatever they desire in life in both material and inner growth because both are equally important. And let me tell you, this is not just a motivation content. Soon we'll be having our guests, experts from different industries to guide us and provide with actionable insights. And yes, this content, this channel is equally for men and not just for women because, dear men, you do have beautiful women in your life, maybe in the form of sister, daughter, wife, girlfriend, or whatever. And I'm sure their decisions, their temperament, their attitude does affect your life in one or the other way. So let's grow together in all the dimensions, material and inner growth. Welcome to Vahvamanya.